Today's video is going to be a little different. I finally got my Christmas present to myself. I ordered it on 10th of December and it finally came yesterday. It's a mute that I've always wanted to have. I never bought it. It was really expensive because I could only buy it in America. Living in Portugal, I could only find one in America. That's what took so long, more a month to get. What I'm talking about is a Pixie mute. Now this one is from Tom Crown, a very famous mute maker, make lots of mutes. Now this doesn't have a coils inside. Now I need your help because I've never played with one of these before and I love this. I love the old Duke Ellington with Tricky Sam Natton. Wow, that's great, you know, all the sounds he makes. So and I brought my other mutes to compare. I've got my plunger here. See if you can help me. Any advice? I'm going to put it in. Now, I've already tried this obviously before the video. Now if I put it in really far, there's so much back pressure I can't get any noise though. It's really hard to get. Very hard to get any noise. If I take it, pull it out a little bit. Now, I had the plunger. Problem was I had the plunger, my plunger's too small. Doesn't really cover enough, so I guess I have to get a new plunger. See, it's really, it doesn't, I don't have this the right effect. I'll show you without just a plunger. I played a lot with plunger through the years. I played bassy tunes and used just a regular plunger without the Pixie. It sounds muted. Now, I have a friend played in a big band here and they played a whole show of Duke Ellington music, but I was playing third trombone. I didn't get to play any of the solos. And the second trombonist had a Pixie mute, but he had the Humsenberg version. And it seems to be different. Maybe I should get a Humsenberg. Maybe it's better. I don't know. Sorry about the shadows. What do you think? Now, what he also had an old one where he punched holes in the end. So you push it way in, it reduces the back pressure, also makes you more in tune, I think. So, but I just paid $74 for this and another $74 to get it here, believe it or not. A lot of money to get this. Do I really want to drill holes, or do I need to, it's really long, do I need to cut this? I'm playing a 3B, so just, I mean, I don't know. It's a King 3B. Has anybody else had this problem? I don't know. I would like to know. Please respond. So you hear that sound. Here's the sound. It's my LeBlanc metal straight mute. It projects nicely. Love it. I've used this since, had this since I was in university in 19, I'm not going to tell you. A long time ago. Of course, I've got the standard practice mute, which I should use more. Nothing. Standard cup. This is the stone line. Hear the difference of that. JJ loves playing cup. One of my real favorites. Stone line. Bucket. This thing is really beat, really old. I've taken some of the, I've tuned it a bit and pushed some of the stuff in. You can do this, and of course it's made and bend the tangs to the size of your bell. This is one of my favorite sounding mutes. I love it. I'm running dry here. I'm not running through a microphone. So my mic. Now, as far as wah-wah effects, there's one more mute. I paid a fortune for this mute. This is another Stone Line Harmon mute. I don't know how much this cost me a fortune. It's not that old. I've maybe had it 10 years. Good shape with the stem, removable stem. Listen to this. This thing is amazing. The sound. That's with the stem in, and you can take the stem out without dropping it, which I just did. I'm supposed to take it out and then without the stem. Great, great, great sound. Love. You can also put the stem in partially. I need to lubricate that, not too much, let it slide out. Hear the difference? Great. Mute, and that's the extent of my mute. So please help me out. Put a message down what you think about the Crown. If anybody else is using a Crown Pixie mute, sorry, holding it backwards, Crown. I can't take the cut the corks down because then it goes in way too far. Then I get if I push it in really far, nothing. It's I'm a little bit frustrated, disappointed. Maybe I'll try and find somewhere, if you know any places in Europe, that I can buy the Humsenberg Pixie mute that everybody seems to use. The red on the end is white but metal. I can't find it anywhere. I tried everywhere to try to buy one. So let me know in the comments. And thanks for this video. And I'll have more live performance videos in the future. I'm going to be doing some new stuff technologically. So hang on to your horses. Here it's coming.